Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to do dual SIM settings on our phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, go to the settings of our phone here, then go to connections, and here go to SIM manager, and here you are having two SIM cards. Okay, so here you can set dual SIM. Okay, SIM 1 and SIM 2. Click on SIM 1, and here you can deactivate SIM 1 if you turn off this button. Okay, I got turned off this button. If you turn on again, your SIM will be active. Okay, then if you would like to change SIM 1 icon, click here and select any other icon here. I select this icon and go back, it will be activated. Then click on name. Here you can change a SIM card name. By default it will be set to SIM 1. You can rename it, delete the available text and write your own text. Okay, here I write Jerolina. Okay, click on done. Then go back. In a similar way, you can set SIM 2. Okay, click on SIM 2 and click on icon here and change icon for SIM 2. Here I change icon for SIM 2 to this internet symbol. Okay, and go back. Then click on name here and assign any other name. Here I would like to assign SIM 2 as Marilyn, and click on done, and it will be assigned now. Okay, so SIM 1 is Jerolina now and SIM 2 is Marilyn. Then here preferred SIMs, you can set preferred SIMs for calls, messages and mobile data. Okay, if you click on calls, you can select a preferred SIM. Okay, so here I change it to Jerolina, or if you would like to ask every time, click on ask always. So when you make a call, when you going to start a call, your phone will ask whether to call should be made from which SIM. Okay, so Jerolina or Marilyn, it will ask. You can select there. Okay, suppose if you want to set directly for particular SIM, select it. If you have selected Jerolina, call will be always going from Jerolina SIM. Okay, then click on messages, and here also you can set preferred SIM for messages. Okay, Jerolina or Marilyn. From the two SIM card you can select any one. Okay, then click on mobile data. Here also you can keep the mobile data, preferred mobile data from which SIM, Jerolina or Marilyn, or you can turn off. Okay, I have selected it to Jerolina. Okay, then data switching and backup calling. So suppose if preferred SIM has no data, you can switch your phone will be switched automatically to other SIM. Okay, another SIM. Suppose in between also if any mobile data by error is not working, then it will be shipped to other mobile data. Okay. Then click on more SIM settings. Here you can click on dual SIM always on. Okay, here two SIM cards are showing here. Then SIM card security. Here if you click on it, lock SIM card option will available. Here if you turn on this button, SIM card will be locked, but don't do it unless you know this unlocking security pin. Okay, otherwise your SIM card will be useless, or you need to enter your PUC code. Okay, if you don't get PUC code, then it will be problem to you. Okay, so don't do it. Then click on lock eSIM settings. If you have any eSIM, you can lock here. Okay, I don't have any eSIM as of now. So in this way you can easily do dual SIM settings in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.